The Icon team aims to make housing more affordable while maintaining quality and style. To achieve this, they've introduced Domus Ex Machina, a construction technology using artificial intelligence algorithms and 3D printing. While the roof, doors, windows and some other elements remain traditional, the walls are printed by the Vulcan 2 robot printer. This printer can be easily transported to the construction sites and efficiently build walls up to 8 meters high, at a speed of 25 centimeters per second. The AI architect Vitruvius assists with the design, proposing concepts for future real estate. Further capabilities will include developing plans, 3D models and estimates. Icon is currently accepting orders with the cost of printing 1 square meter of walls, starting from $250. Only 2 people are needed to operate the printer. Augmented reality is beneficial for streamlining construction processes. Let's explore this software called Spectar. It can boost productivity on the job site by 50%. This is because workers using Spectar and headsets like the HoloLens 2 can visually understand their tasks and locations more effectively. Special software enables tasks scheduling for up to 3 weeks in advance, enhancing workflow. For instance, if workers encounter discrepancies between the actual site and the plans, Spectar can help them address it, avoiding confusion in the final budget. Estimate. Another significant advantage is its support for BIM files, allowing direct data loading from programs like AutoCAD, Revit and others. Verdura blocks work like a Lego set, and offer a straightforward solution for building retaining walls, reaching heights of up to 15 meters. Made of concretes, they're designed to endure for hundreds of years. No foundations required either, simply bury the first row of blocks in the soil. You can enhance aesthetics and security by incorporating creeping plants like ivy. Sprinklers are enough for watering. Verdura is suitable for slopes of up to 12%. Some projects are truly impressive, such as this 23,411 square meters wall completed in 170 days. Fiber-reinforced concrete arrived at the construction site, and our task is to ensure that even distribution of its reinforcing fibers. These fibers can be incredibly small, as little as 0.1 millimeters in diameter, but that's no issue. Just attach the Robotics ID system to the concrete chute, no calibration needed. It performs checks automatically, eliminating human error. Unlike other methods, Robotics ID assesses the entire mix volume, not just individual samples. It produces bundle graphs into standardized reports that attest reinforcement's compliance with the norms. For safety, the test starts only after holding the button for at least 5 seconds to prevent any accidents. With extreme mats you can lay down a road even in places with no clear directions, like swamps. Each mat measures 4 by 2 meters, and costs approximately $3,000. It's a worthwhile investment because extreme mats can support equipment weighing up to 80 tons. In certain conditions, when the weather is dry and driving fast is feasible, they can handle up to 120 tons. Made from a super strong polymer, extreme mats weigh a hefty 385 kilograms each. The foam core ensures buoyancy, while the mat surface is designed for tracked vehicles. The team at Monumental has developed a construction robot powered by artificial intelligence algorithms. Progress looks promising. An investment worth $25 million isn't handed out lightly. Moreover, 57% of European countries are grappling with a severe shortage of bricklayers. Given this, construction companies will likely appreciate this robot, which not only delivers quality work but also operates between 50 and 60% faster than humans. Additionally, it doesn't get tired, ask for pay raises, take smoking breaks or make mistakes. Monumental also offers another robot for brick delivery. During tests, these mechanical workers successfully built the 15-meter facade of an office and warehouse building, and even contributed to projects involving social housing. Top Grip is perfect for crosswalks, tight corners, crossings and other areas with potential hazards. When applied to concrete or asphalt, it boosts traction by 30 to 40%. Made of plastic with methacrylate resin and bauxite, Top Grip requires a special primer layer when used on concrete. It sets quickly, hardening in just 20 minutes at 20 degrees Celsius, depending on the site. Usage ranges from 3 to 5 kilograms per square meter. This handy product is manufactured in Switzerland. These walkways allow you to move around on the roof much easier. There are various versions available. For instance, fiber-grate walkways are made with fiber-reinforced gratings, and can withstand a 172 kilograms drop. Another company, Tricet Trading, offers a system with gratings that support over a ton per square meter. However, the standout product comes from Step-On Safety, which uses fiberglass. It serves marine and railroad clients, and boasts acid-resistant grids. Some versions flex only 6 mm under a load of 2 tons. No Limit Scaffolding is the culmination of Monzen's years of effort. After extensive work, research and gathering feedback from manufacturers and customers, the company reached a clear conclusion. People needed a versatile system that combines the simplicity of frame scaffolding with the maximum customization flexibility. Let's see the result. No Limit Scaffolding offers adjustable heights from 25 to 300 centimeters, and variable widths. For instance, it can start at 75 centimeters and extend to 300 centimeters. Intermediate transoms along with smart clutches ensure automatic locking. Additionally, since No Limit is made from recycled aluminum, it's 50% lighter than the earlier steel modular version from the same company. Formflow is also focused on affordable housing, but provides a more traditional solution, modular houses. They offer several benefits. Firstly, assembly takes weeks instead of months. Secondly, the special Australian-made steel frame makes the house more resistant to bends and deformations. Thirdly, the color bond steel used in construction contains over 20% recycled steel, and additionally, a standard Gable 1 model measures 12 meters in length, 4.5 meters in width and weighs 10 tons. Thus, it can be delivered on just one semi-trailer if desired. The cost for this in similar houses is approximately $204,000. Builder's safety is paramount, and Tie Down, a pioneer in the sphere of fall protection systems, offers a solution. The PX5 Sentinel, a versatile and effective mobile system for up to 7 people. Weighing 590 kilograms, it's suitable for rooftop work and easy to transport on a forklift. The system performs effectively on various surfaces, including concrete, and in tests it withstood 5 loads of 141 kilograms each. It's no surprise that the PX5 Sentinel is regarded as the best in its class. Surewall posts are designed for those who love improving their house on their own. They enable you to build a wall up to a meter high with a flush finish. These posts, with a width of 65 mm, are crafted from galvanized steel for optimal durability. You can slim down the wall by 66% compared to competitive solutions if desired, with a service life of at least 20 years. The posts also facilitate 90 degrees angles, and provide a 15 degrees tolerance for smooth bends. On another side, work on installing a concrete plinth base is underway. With a typical length of 2.5 meters, assistance is required for installation. However, the result serves a dual purpose: it looks appealing and offers additional protection. The MapeGuard UM35 is a technologically advanced product with multiple benefits. It's a waterproofing uncoupling membrane that excels in various aspects. Firstly, it works well on cracked, damp, and even partially cured substrates. Secondly, it's a good conductor of heat, making it ideal for use with heated floors. Thirdly, it's suitable for both interior and exterior applications, whether on old concrete, screed, or tiles. Its translucent nature makes it easier for workers to monitor adhesive distribution. Packaged in rolls measuring 1 meter wide by 30 meters long, MapeGuard UM35 made of polyethylene and polypropylene fabric is easy to cut on site. Welcome to this class on installing underground drainage systems, using components from DrainFast, one of the UK's top suppliers. Whether it's chambers, pipes, manhole covers or fittings, DrainFast has everything you need to build a drainage system from scratch. They even offer the site stack system, capable of moving over 40 pipes at once with an excavator. Their components are incredibly versatile too. For instance, you can order manhole covers in steel, cast iron, or polypropylene. Their pipes work seamlessly with silt and debris catches, as well as septic tanks. Interestingly, with proper installation, DrainFast pipes can easily last over 50 years and withstand ground movements better. Thermodämm offers this modern insulation. These panels are made of foam plastic, with porcelain stoneware or clinker tiles attached, creating a durable insulation solution that mimics real masonry. These panels have an estimated service life of 50 years, much longer than mineral wall or rain screen cladding. It doesn't require special skills to work with these panels either. All you need are PU foam, grout, dowels, and self-tapping screws. Plus, the foam layer contains protective additives, so you don't have to worry about rodents. Let's round off today's video with the queen of construction products, formwork. There's no shortage of options. Even now, companies offer their take on this essential construction component. Take Conform for instance. They've introduced a lightweight alternative to traditional wooden formwork, elements made from plastic and fiberglass. These come in 3 types: regular, superflex and fiberform. Here's a brief overview of each. Regular elements are available in 5 sizes, with the largest being 4.8 meters by 300 millimeters, offering a universal solution. Superflex elements come in 1 size, 4.8 meters by 90 millimeters, designed for intricate bends and curves. For fiberform there are again 5 sizes, with the largest being 5.85 meters by 300 millimeters, ideal for long straight sections. All options have a service life of at least 7 years, with some customers reporting them lasting up to 15 years. What a great deal!